Okay, this is one similar as today, but we just take one eye because it's even though it's Delta with 2006 motorization and the upper doors are not completely original.
Yeah.
This is Suolaketie, Sätingsvägen 6 stickers. We have also put the stickers here. We'll also try the stickers here.
Yeah.
These one is 320 grams. Original built by ValmetSchlieren in 1974. Yeah. Transmission 2006 models with Delta fixtures by Kone. Speed 4345. This is also in the suburb of Gammelbacka, here in Porvoo, Finland. Strange.
Yeah.
But strange.
Yeah.
And there it says the so what does it? 2000 and
No, it says just 200.
Can't be. They didn't scratch the indicator. They tried this, but that's not good. That's not good.
Yeah.
It still has all the Kone connection here.
Yeah.
So this might makes me think that this might have been modernized in the beginning of 2006.
Yeah.
Perhaps. We're going good. The codes are difficult here.
Yeah.
That's it. Standard from 2003.
That's